We landed in Davao.
It's a nice view.
Decent view.
It's okay.
It's our last day here in Davao, and we are gonna go island hopping, Filipino style. We are just gonna get a quick brekkie in before we hit the islands, and we're gonna be going over there. That is Samao. We're also gonna go that way. It's Uncle Basi, Auntie Marina. There's Christian over there by the water, and of course, Alia, Carrie, Jay, and my Auntie Irish.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I live for this. We're here, we're getting ready to shoot some more for another music video. As you can see, it is gorgeous. It is our last day in Davao, and we are doing it the right way. We just went island hopping, shot some music videos, shot some vlog content, and now we are getting some mani-pedis, some foot spa stuff. Carrie's over there getting ready for some foot spa. I myself, I got the feet. Boop. That boo-boo. That was from a little bit of a motorcycle fall on Sikihor.
What happened? What's the conversation?
I was just explaining the context of my little boo-boo on my knee. And I was saying how I had a motorcycle fall, but it wasn't as bad as this guy's motorcycle fall.
Yeah, he had a fall, and I had a big fall.
Accurate.
Said, like, some guys be having like terrible feet.
That's them.
Enjoy your drinks.
Thank you so much.
Hey, enjoy the resort.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. You're here in paradise.
Filipino rum.
See it?
Cheers it up. And then I'm gonna get in.
No, Jay, don't do it.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's pretty good.
That's beautiful.
Oh, I'm gonna feel that in the morning. With Global. The local.